everybody, I'm Jenna with Mann Lake. I'm here at the North American Honeybee Expo with Steve from Hive for Heroes. Steve, tell me about Hives for Heroes. I know a little bit, I don't know a lot. I know it's a great organization that works with our veterans, it works with first responders, so tell us about you guys.
Yeah, jokingly we say Hives for Heroes is America, right? We continue to serve our nation's heroes, and we do that by connecting veterans and first responders to beekeepers in their local areas, and then providing resources and funding for them to find their journey, go along their journey, find their path in life, and be successful as a group together, just like a hive.
Okay, so tell me, how does somebody connect with you guys?
Man, it's so easy to connect. You can go on any social media, Google, anything. Look Hives for Heroes up, you go directly to our website, you fill out one simple application, and then we're gonna send that to Charlie, who is our national connector, our national connections director, and he connects people within 30 miles of each other. So the beauty of that is we actually want face-to-face interaction. We want you to be a community member. So don't worry about your experience level. We ask you for 3 or more years of successful beekeeping experience, but sign up to be a mentor, support that person in your local area. You don't have to be an expert. Just be a good person.
How many newbies are you guys working with right now? How many veterans are you trying to help?
Currently over 3,000 veterans and first responders in the network, with a little bit over 1,500 mentors in the organization.
So that's a big difference.
That's a big gap. So we need more mentors. Please go to hivesforheroes.com, sign up with 3 or more years of experience and just willingness to serve somebody in your local area. And Charlie would connect y'all via email, which is super easy. So it takes very little time, and we've gotten a lot of good feedback, especially in the last few months, where people are getting connected within like hours, right? Sometimes maybe days. But if there is a newbie in your area, you will get connected by Charlie. And if there's not, please be patient, because the good thing is you're already there serving. Even if there's nobody attached to you, you're able to serve the community in a great way.
What's expected of a mentor?
Yes, we intentionally keep the bar very low and inclusive for being a mentor. We need 3 years of beekeeping experience and the willingness to serve. That's it.
That's amazing. It sounds pretty simple then. So all you have to do is go to your website, and what's the website again for everybody, just to make sure they don't miss it. And they can sign up to be a mentor, or if somebody is looking to just learn about beekeeping, they can sign up to be a newbie.
Yep, absolutely.
So very simple.
And that person that's a newbie is going to have little to no beekeeping experience, but has served our country in some way.
That's awesome. So if I don't have time to be a mentor, or maybe I haven't hit 3 years of experience yet, is there some way I can still help?
Absolutely. So we love when the general public comes together. Again, like a hive, we're all supporting each other. So we utilize resources from all over the country. As we're serving a lot of people throughout the United States, one of the biggest things we do is scholarships. So of course, scholarships require funding. Funding is shown, of course, in our 990s, but also publicly through our Instagrams and the master beekeeping programs that we work with. So the education side is an awesome scholarship where they will go get education, and we will fund that. So it's at no cost to them. That comes from our amazing sponsors and donors. It could be you one day. And also our Be More scholarship, which is more focused on small business and entrepreneurship. You go through that first year, you apply as you've already had a year of experience in beekeeping, a mentor in your area, and of course they're a part of Hives for Heroes. Apply, and last year we were able to give $20,000 out in the month of November alone to veterans and first responders that have gone through the organization.
Mann Lake is definitely on board with helping as much as possible. Want everybody to know we do offer a military discount. So if you were in the military, interested in beekeeping, or you've served and you're a veteran and want to get started, reach out to us, ask for the discount, we'll help you out.
Yeah. So it's really exciting to see Mann Lake opening up their literal pocketbooks in order to support what we consider our nation's heroes. So specifically to our veterans that have been out there, you can get a link on our page as well, but go to the Mann Lake's website and you get a military discount for your service. Thank you very much, and thank you to Mann Lake as well.
Is there anything else you want to share with us today?
Please support, right? Like our nation's heroes are people that have gone out and literally signed a blank check for their lives, right? Come back, help and support us as we continue to grow. There's a lot of personal stories. Go to the Facebook, go to the Instagram, like the pages, share those with people that you may know. You never know who's in your network that might need something right now that is Hives for Heroes. So continued support is always a blessing. We have literally hundreds of leaders throughout the country representing states, representing regions that do this on a daily basis. And we have a full staff that's not paid, by the way, a non-paid staff that works through all this at our headquarters, literally to try to make the world a better place, serving our nation's heroes.
That's amazing. Thank you.
Absolutely.
Yeah, thanks for everything that you do, and thank you for your service.
Thank you.